Have you ever heard of a plant that brings good luck, wealth, and purifies the air? Meet the money plant, a favorite among plant lovers and believed to attract prosperity. In this video, we'll share 15 fascinating facts about this incredible plant. From its scientific name to its air-purifying abilities, we'll delve into the intriguing world of the money plant. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind its popularity and discover why it's the perfect addition to any home. Before we delve into the more intriguing aspects of this plant, let's begin by understanding its scientific classification. The money plant, often referred to as such for its purported ability to attract wealth and prosperity, is not a single species but rather encompasses several. The most common variety, known scientifically as, is a tree-like plant native to the wetlands and swamps of Central and South America. Another popular variety, often mistaken for is the more commonly known as devil's ivy. Despite their differences in origin and appearance, both are united under the common moniker of money plant, due to cultural beliefs and their shared ability to thrive indoors. To truly understand the money plant, we must journey to its origins, to the heart of Central and South America. Here, in the lush, verdant rainforests, amidst the cacophony of life, the money plant flourishes. These tropical regions, with their warm, humid climates and dappled sunlight filtering through the dense canopy, provide the ideal conditions for these plants to thrive. Imagine, if you will, the vibrant green foliage of the money plant, its leaves unfurling in the humid air, drawing life from the rich, fertile soils of the rainforest floor. It is in this environment, far removed from the confines of our homes, that the money plant truly comes into its own. The money plant's association with good luck and fortune is deeply rooted in ancient practices like Feng Shui and Vastu Shastra. In Feng Shui, an ancient Chinese system of harmonizing individuals with their surrounding environment, the money plant is believed to attract wealth, prosperity, and positive energy, particularly when placed in specific locations within a home or office. Similarly, Vastu Shastra, an ancient Indian system of architecture, considers the money plant to be a sacred plant that brings good luck, financial success, and harmony to the inhabitants of a dwelling. Whether or not one subscribes to these beliefs, the money plant's association with prosperity has undoubtedly contributed to its enduring popularity. Chapter 4. Beyond its symbolic significance, the money plant possesses a remarkable ability to purify the air we breathe. Studies have shown that this botanical marvel acts as a natural air filter, effectively removing harmful toxins such as benzene, formaldehyde, and carbon monoxide from indoor environments. These toxins, often released from common household items like paints, carpets, and cleaning products, can have detrimental effects on our health. The money plant, with its air-purifying prowess, helps to mitigate these risks, creating a healthier and more breathable atmosphere in our homes and workplaces. Chapter 5. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility and respite from the daily grind is essential for our well-being. The money plant, it seems, offers more than just aesthetic appeal. It also possesses the remarkable ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that being in the presence of plants, particularly those like the money plant, can have a calming effect on our minds and bodies. The vibrant green foliage, the gentle sway of its leaves, even the simple act of caring for a plant can evoke a sense of peace and tranquility, helping to alleviate stress and promote a sense of well-being. Chapter 6. For those new to the world of indoor gardening, the money plant is an ideal choice, requiring minimal effort to thrive. Unlike more demanding houseplants, the money plant can tolerate a wide range of light conditions, from low to indirect sunlight and even artificial light. This adaptability makes it an excellent choice for homes and offices with varying degrees of natural light. Its resilience extends beyond light requirements. The money plant is also relatively drought-tolerant, making it a forgiving companion for even the most forgetful plant parent. Chapter 7. While the money plant is relatively low maintenance, proper watering is crucial for its health and longevity. The key lies in finding the right balance, providing enough moisture to sustain growth without drowning the roots. A good rule of thumb is to allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings, ensuring that the excess water drains away freely. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common problem that can be detrimental to the plant's health. Chapter 8. Just as a sculptor shapes clay, so too can we influence the growth and appearance of our money plants through pruning. Regular pruning not only helps to maintain the plant's shape, but also encourages bushier, fuller growth. By selectively trimming back leggy or overgrown stems, we redirect the plant's energy towards new growth points, resulting in a more aesthetically pleasing and vigorous plant. Pruning also provides an opportunity to remove any dead or dying leaves, further enhancing the plant's overall health and vitality. Chapter 9. One of the most rewarding aspects of caring for a money plant is witnessing its remarkable growth rate. Under the right conditions, these botanical wonders can grow at an astonishing pace, their vines reaching upwards and outwards, exploring their surroundings with an almost tangible enthusiasm. In ideal conditions, a money plant can grow up to 8 feet tall, its lush foliage transforming even the most mundane of spaces into verdant havens. This rapid growth serves as a constant reminder of the plant's vitality and its ability to thrive under our care. Chapter 10. Beyond its ornamental value, the money plant harbors a surprising secret. The seeds of some varieties, particularly the are edible. These seeds, often described as having a nutty flavor, can be roasted and enjoyed as a snack or ground into a flour that can be used in various culinary creations. Imagine, if you will, the satisfaction of harvesting seeds from your own money plant, transforming them into a nourishing treat. Chapter 11. The money plant stands apart from many of its houseplant counterparts in its remarkable ability to thrive in both soil and water. While many plants require the stability and nutrients provided by soil, the money plant has adapted to flourish in aquatic environments as well. This adaptability makes it a popular choice for those seeking a low-maintenance and visually appealing addition to their homes. Chapter 12. The world of money plants extends beyond a single species, encompassing a diverse array of varieties, each with its own unique characteristics. From the tree-like stature of thee to the trailing vines of thee, the money plant family offers a diverse palette of forms and foliage. Other notable varieties include the, known for its smooth green bark, and the, prized for its large, showy flowers. As the day draws to a close and we prepare for slumber, the money plant continues to work its magic, this time by improving the quality of our sleep. By purifying the air and increasing oxygen levels, particularly in enclosed spaces like bedrooms, the money plant creates a more conducive environment for restful sleep. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, thanks in part to the presence of this botanical air purifier. The money plant, it seems, is a gift that keeps on giving, enhancing our well-being even as we sleep. The money plant's resilience extends beyond its tolerance for varying light conditions. It also exhibits a remarkable ability to adapt to a wide range of climates, from the humid tropics of its native habitat to the cooler, drier air of temperate regions. The money plant demonstrates a remarkable ability to acclimate. This adaptability makes it a popular choice for indoor cultivation worldwide, bringing a touch of greenery and a breath of fresh air to homes and offices regardless of their geographical location. Throughout history, certain beliefs and superstitions have become intertwined with the money plant, adding a touch of folklore to its already intriguing nature. One such belief is that the more leaves a money plant has, the more wealth and prosperity it will bring to its owner. While this notion remains unsubstantiated by scientific evidence, it speaks to the enduring human fascination with luck and fortune. Whether or not one subscribes to this belief, it serves as a reminder of the powerful symbolism that plants can hold in our lives. The money plant is more than just a decorative houseplant. It's a symbol of prosperity, an air purifier, and a stress reliever. Whether you grow it in soil or water, this plant is a perfect addition to any home. From its intriguing scientific classification to its air purifying abilities and stress-reducing properties, the money plant has captivated plant enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Its adaptability, ease of care, and symbolic significance make it a versatile and rewarding addition to any indoor space.